Comedy. The time-traveling coffee shop. Characters: Alex and Sam. Please subscribe to this channel, you will not regret. Let's start.
You know, I heard this place has a secret menu with time-traveling drinks.
Sure. Time travel? Are you sure? What are they, some kind of futuristic Starbucks?
No, seriously. I ordered yesterday's latte. It's supposed to taste like nostalgia.
Nostalgia? What does that even taste like? Probably like burnt toast. And regret.
But I think I tasted a hint of 2015 in there. So, not all bad.
You should really be careful. What if you accidentally time travel to a moment when crop tops were still a thing?
Oh no! I'd never survive the embarrassment. I might have to start a support group, Crop Tops Anonymous.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I wore a crop top in public.
And I thought I looked fabulous.
So, what's next? Are you going to try the future Frappuccino? I hear it has a dash of optimism and a sprinkle of anxiety.
They say it comes with a side of holographic cookies.
Holographic cookies? What will they think of next? Virtual reality muffins?
And don't forget the quantum quiche, that's only edible if you think really hard.
Now, that could be dangerous. What if I think too hard and accidentally end up in an alternate universe where pineapple on pizza is the norm?
No, not the pineapple universe. I hear their pizza is appealing.
We'll never make it back. We'll be forever stuck debating toppings.
Well, if we do get stuck, at least we'll have a never-ending supply of time-traveling coffee.
Here's to endless time, endless coffee, and very questionable fashion choices.